So let's unbox together. Here is the device. It's black matte finish and super light. I like it. Then we have the Type-C cable. It's white in color. Here is it. We also have silver chain, which you can wear anywhere. Next comes the user manual. Here's the user guide and here's the QR code from where you can download the app. So let's try connecting our device with the app. So when you're connecting your device with the application, there might be chances that it is not connecting. So it is a good practice if you put your device on charge. So here is the charging port and you plug it in the wire. And this is how the device is charging. The orange light, the ombre light, shows you that the device is charging. So you can charge it for like 30 minutes and then you can start again. Now let's download the app. Let's type Neosapien on App Store or Play Store, whichever device you're using. Let's click on download. Once it's downloaded, you open the app and then you get a notification for Bluetooth devices around you. So you click on allow. Then you get an option, sign with Apple email or sign with Google email. So whichever you want to choose, you can click on that. So we have chosen sign with Google. There we have created an account. And after creating an account, we have logged into the app. Therein you get the permission like enable Bluetooth. You go, click on Bluetooth and that's how your Bluetooth will be enabled. And next permission that you get is enable notifications. So you can go to settings, click on allow notifications and that's how you give permission for notifications. You go to Play Store app, type Neosapien, click on download. Once the app is installed, you click on open and the application interface appears. You get an option to sign in with email or Gmail. For the testing purposes, we are using sign in with email option. Here, we have created a testing email and then we click on login/sign up. Once it is done, you get next permission like connecting your device with Bluetooth. So you click on I understand. Then you get a notification for turning on your location. So you click on allow and you can choose while using the app. After turning on your Bluetooth and enabling your location, you next get two permissions, enable notifications and disable battery optimization. So you click on enable notifications and then you get a pop-up option like allow or don't allow. So you click on allow. Then you click on disable battery optimization. You click on OK and you click on allow. After allowing, you go back to your new application and click on done. The moment all the permissions are given, you log into the main home screen. Here you can see there's an option called tap to connect. You click on tap to connect and it will connect with the device. And now you can see there's active mode written. It clearly shows that the device is listening to you. If you want to put it into sleep mode, then you can click on double tap and it will go to sleep mode. And that is how it goes to sleep mode. The moment you double tap on the device, it will turn back on. Now let's go to voice profiling. On the top you see user icon. So click on the user icon and you see a voice profile section. Click on the voice profile section. There you click on tap to start recording. Before starting you get permissions like enable microphone. So when you give the permission for enable microphone, then you click on tap to start recording. When you click on tap to start recording, there will be questions like what is your name, where do you live, where do you work. All these questions will be asked just to do voice profiling and nothing else. So it is basically listening to your voice and accordingly setting the speaker's data. So if I'm speaking continuously, it's listening to me right now and it's completing the voice profile syncing. So let's say, where do you work? I work in Neosapien. What do you do? I work as a social content strategy. What are your interests? Do you have any hidden talents or secret details? You can keep on saying things XYZ so that it completes your voice profile syncing. And now the there's syncing happening. So the audio profile is just syncing right now. Great, it is done now. So next, you go back to the home screen. When you go back to the home screen, you see that the device is clearly listening to you right now. So either you can tap on to save memory, and that is how your memory will be generated. Now the memory has been created. When you tap on that memory, you can see the minutes of meetings, the main topics, the summary, the details. All the important messages are all written over in that small highlight section. When you click on transcript, whatever you have spoken in Hindi or English by speaker 1, speaker 2, it will all be mentioned in the detail. So to speak about Neo AI feature, let's click on a memory that I had recently where we were brainstorming about a business model regarding a quick 10-minute quick fashion delivery that is called Attire. So let me click on that memory. And when I click on that memory, there's an option in the bottom which says chat, that is Neo AI. So you click on the Neo AI. So I am asking Neo AI right now, hey Neo, can you please elaborate on the business model that was discussed for Blinkit? I don't seem to recall. Great, Neo AI has given me all the key highlights, all the key important points that were discussed in that meeting regarding to the Blinkit business model. It comes as of like, hey there, so here's what I recall from that last Blinkit discussion. They are banking on business model that emphasize clear differentiation, so and so. All these pointers that were discussed, it is clearly mentioned in detail from start to end. So that's why I love Neo AI, because it helped me remember not only it structurizes, but it also analyzes and gives me a detailed information. So yeah, not only we can use Neo AI feature for this, but let me show you one of the best features Neo AI can do for us. Let's go back to home screen and then click on Neo AI. When you click on Neo AI, you can ask a question like, hey Neo, how can I communicate better with my boss? So let's see what answer does it give to us. Great. Now, so we have the pointers that we can use to communicate better with our boss. So the pointers could be like, be clear and concise, prepare in advance. So all these pointers that Neo has given me, I would definitely use it for communicating better with my boss soon, and I will let you know the results. Now let's go to memories section. When you click on memories, you see all the memories structured in format. Let's say there's date written, day written, and time written. So in that way, all the memories are structured. When you click on one of the memories, you swipe to the right and you see merge option. You click on merge and you can select the other memory which you want to merge it with. You click the other memory and then you tap on merge. When you merge, the memory is merging and you get a notification saying your memory is merged.